Finally I have reached. The local taxi drivers were very nice, so I could park my auto here because I was lost again many times. But no worries, nice people around. Now we're gonna go find where is the Shayo. Hello, hello. Biang. Was a long ride, very long ride. This is how it looks. Taxi stands here. Like that. This is the main town, main area I could say. Or I don't know, but that's what I think. Okay, Shayo is where? Where is the Shayo?
This is here.
This is Shayo.
Mawkyrwat.
But is there the main market is where?
Yeah.
That side.
Go from there. That side. You.
I can walk from here?
From here.
From here?
Yeah.
Okay, I will go check. Thank you very much, Mo. I will come back soon, Mo. Okay, Toto. Okay, let's go. Have a look on this town. And it's raining again, but no problem. Can manage here. And then I want to buy some water. Oi! Guys, drink a lot of water. Shayo, people are saying. Hello guys.
Hello.
How are you? Oh, good.
Good.
How is this place to live? You live here? How is to live here? Mawkyrwat. Hey, you speak Maram.
Maram.
You teach me some Maram. Teach me something in Maram. What I can say, people in Maram?
Mawkyrwat.
Huh?
Mawkyrwat.
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 Mawkyrwat. What it means?
Huh?
Mawkyrwat. I can say for him Mawkyrwat.
Market.
Market. Mawkyrwat. Okay, Toto. Okay, Mo. Okay. Mawkyrwat. Market. Mawkyrwat. Mawkyrwat. Komplexibel. Mawkyrwat. Okay. Oh, this is jackfruit. And jackfruit is very heavy and it's very big also. Sispa arpo. Jackfruit. Mawkyrwat. Mawkyrwat. Oh, biang. Sispa laipo. Oh, biang. Biang mo. Oh, jackfruit. In Khasi, how you say this one? Sopnan. Okay, biang mo. Okay. Sopna. Oi, go play. Sopna. Oi, kong. Mawkyrwat. What? Mawkyrwat. I need to learn some Maram today. Hello, how are you? Hey, you speak Maram?
Yes.
You teach me some Maram. What means Mawkyrwat?
Mawkyrwat.
This
town.
area.
This town.
Oh, this is Mawkyrwat?
Yeah.
Okay, what I can say for some people in Maram? If I can, you teach me something. What I can say in Maram?
You ask me what can
Yeah. What
bro.
you can? Hello.
bro?
Yeah,
Come on,
all
ask
good.
from him.
Okay.
Where are you from?
You speak Maram?
Yes, Maram.
Okay.
Dihano.
Dihano.
Yeah.
Dihano is what?
Lejay.
Like Shano.
Where do you go?
Dihano is Shano. Dishano.
Lejay. Where do you go?
Dishano.
Dihano.
Okay, something else also.
What?
Something also else. Something else. Something
Else.
else. Yeah, something else. You teach me
Else.
something else also.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know.
Yeah,
Okay,
bro.
Dihano. Okay,
Dihano. Where
He.
from? Mawkyrwat.
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 So you are from Mawkyrwat?
Yes, Mawkyrwat.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
this is the market.
Finish eating.
Yes, ladep.
Yeah.
Ladep.
Yes.
But this is market.
Market Mawkyrwat. Yes.
Okay, biang mo.
Biang mo.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mo.
Bye.
Hello. Go play. Hey, go play. Okay, this is actually
Where you will go?
I just roam around. Hello. All good. I just walk around here. Dihano.
I
Dihano.
will go to home.
You go hiking. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you? All good. Hello, hello, hello. Dihano.
Dia Shillong.
Shillong.
Ah, Shillong.
Okay, mom.
Klein.
Klein. Okay, to. Bye. Okay. Dihano.
Where we will go?
Dihano.
Yeah.
P.
Dihano.
P.
You.
P. Or you P.
You I will go at home.
Oh, and me in English, me young.
Yes.
Yes. I just walk here.
Walk here.
Only walk here.
Today is market day.
Today is market day.
Yes.
Biang, you went already Ladep market. Lalut market. You went market. You this one. The food.
Yes, I will
Food,
buy
you-
home
From market.
from market.
Ah, okay. Okay, Biang. Come no. What do you sell? Dihano. Dukan. Oh, you have dos niang mo. Okay, big fat pork. Big fat pork. Biang. And also here they sell brain. They have a brain here. Oh, pain and tongue. In Khasi, how you say tongue? Huh? Cholet. It's hard to talk without cholet. I wonder how the brain will taste. I think I haven't tasted for the brain. Yeah. Okay, mo. Okay, bye. Oi, kumno. Dihano. Okay. Okay. Biang.
Yeah,
Kran Maram. You stay here? In Maram, how you say you stay here? Do you stay here? Sachane? Sahane? Okay. Okay. Shahane? Mo? Okay. Okay. Bye. Hello. How are you? All good? All good.
When did you come here?
Only just
Today
I
only?
just arrived. 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago I arrived.
Yeah.
Up more.
Share
Up more.
Share
I go that side.
That's right.
That side I go.
Yeah,
Okay, where you go?
No, we are staying here only.
You stay here?
Yes, we are working here only in this market.
You work
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Okay. You live also here? No?
Yes.
Okay, that is good.
You came alone?
Yeah, I came alone.
I used to watch your
never.
videos.
I come always with God.
Yeah.
I always come with God.
That's great. That's good.
Yes. Thank you very much,
Can we
guys.
take picture?
Yes, of course. Let's have
Yes, of
photo.
course,
Yes. Why not?
We used to watch all your videos.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes. Let's have photo. I go Suki. I go.
It's
I
me.
check.
It's me. It's Dukan.
Dukan?
Sport. This is bar. Itu.
What dukan you have?
Dukan sport. This
Sport.
is bar. This is boat.
Choose.
Yes.
Choose.
Choose duty.
You have mango juice.
Choose jersey. Jersey.
Jersey.
Jersey.
Oh, you
Jersey,
have
yeah.
jersey.
Jersey.
So you have.
Jersey Barcelona, Spain, Brazil.
So you have clothes shop.
Clothes shop. Yeah.
Okay. Where is your
Dukan.
clothes shop? Where?
Clothes shop.
Sanoy.
Sini, ya.
Ha.
Ini Malik.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here is your
Yeah.
dukan.
Come on, Dukan.
Oh.
Here's my Dukan.
This is your dukan.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. It's
So
YouTube.
you.
Video YouTube.
Yes.
Yes. It's me Dukan. Yes.
Okay. You say something in Maram.
Yes, Maram. Dihano.
Dihano. But you talk something else than Dihano.
Yeah, Dihano. Yes, Dihano. Yes. All right, man. Yes, bro.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So here is your shop, mo.
Yes, sir.
So you are. Hey.
Yes.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Miss me, Ronaldo.
Messi or
Messi.
Ronaldo?
You?
I'm Neymar.
Neymar.
Ah.
I'm Neymar.
Your Neymar also?
Yes, you're also good.
Suki. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, good. Dihano. Hane.
Nen.
Hane. Ne.
Hane.
Hane. Okay. Hati Hane. Every market where I have been is a different. Definitely, it's a different. Here, this is good wood. In Khasi, how you say wood? Kse. This is a kse.
Hello, bro.
Kse. Hello. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
You want to buy kse?
No, I don't want.
No, you don't want.
I love your video. I watching every day your video.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much. I appreciate it.
I'm your big fan, bro.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
When
much.
did you come?
Like 10 minutes ago.
10
like
minutes
that.
ago.
Yeah.
Where will you go?
I
Just
roam around
come
here.
to
Yeah,
visit.
I came to visit here.
Okay.
Mau umrah.
Mawkyrwat.
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 Yes.
In this wood you can cook food.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like a fire. It's a firewood.
It's a firewood.
Okay. Good. And this you use head in your head.
Yeah, we used to wear to cover. It's cover from rain.
Okay. Yeah, I learned that in Punursla. That, yes. I don't have for myself this one, but I think it's very useful.
Yeah.
Very useful.
This is called knop.
Knop.
I see you on Instagram and YouTube.
You have seen. Did you like?
Yes.
Oh,
like
thank
and
you.
subscribe.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, talk. Bye. I want to have some tea also. How is the Mawkyrwat tea? In Maram, what do you eat? Do you have any in Maram culture? Do you have anything like specific what you eat here in this area? Like a pamja, what do you eat? Yeah, like a maram pamja. Pamja maram. You have pamja maram. Hano, hane, tane. Pamja maram. Oh. Pamja maram. Obviously, Marama, they are also. Marama Khasi is right. They are Khasi. Marama Khasi, right? But a little different. They speak. The language is a little bit different. Okay, I'm going somewhere with her. Let's see, Maram Pamja. It's quite big town also here. Oh, bananas, nice banana. Would like to taste later on. Oh, this is Pamja Maram here. Okay. So here is Pamja Maram.
Nice now.
Nice to know.
Nice now, Pile.
Biang. Pamja Maram Pamja. Okay. Oh, okay. So here it is. Can I shong? Mo. Let's see how this thing works here. Here it is. Oh, here it is. Japam, Domasi, Dosiar, Dokha, Dosnyang, Sem Snyang, Not Masi, no have. Neither, ne? Doh blanc. What is doh blanc? Doh blanc is the sausage. So, it's mutton. Oh, you have tea. Sha.
Milk tea.
Or milk tea. Can I have only doh blanc? Only. No rice. No rice. Only doh blanc. Oh, okay. One tea doh blanc. Okay. Maram doh blanc. Kumno. Biang. Are you maram also? Dihano. Yeah. Not ready? Yes. Do you have beef?
Beef.
Half?
Yes.
Okay, only beef. There is no doh blanc. No hoga. Neire. Let's try Mawkyrwat maram beef. How it is? Very biang. Very tasty. And soft also. It is not like a chewing gum. It's very good. So the woman lead me in a nice place. And no wonder many people are eating here. Cheers. Problema.
Hallo!
Goeblij.
Koblai.
Hallo! Dat is
Bye.
de extra.
Okay, guys, the food is done. Oi. Yes, picture. Yes. Why not? Let's have a photo.
Selfie!
Yes. Okay, selfie first.
Once more!
Okay, once more.
1, 2, 3.
We can make a photo album. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Okay, have a good day, brother.
Thank you.
Blij maar.
Problema. So the food is done. Nice beef. And I didn't take rice because I have already eaten rice. So. Oh, hello. So no need for that one. I'm not sure where I have come from. I'm already lost here. But oh, actually, I came from that side. Yeah, that side. I came from there. Now I came from that side. We're just gonna go for here, roam around a little bit.